Do it.
Good job.
Yay.
With your tongue. With your tongue.
That's okay. It's close enough.
Good job, baby.
Spitting everywhere.
Good job. Mom, just sit her on your lap.
Okay.
Do it again.
She's too cute.
Do it again.
That's good.
Good job. Can you keep doing it?
Jacey, man. Jacey.
Hey, quit looking at TV. Do it. Do it. Are you trying to be a ballerina? Jacey, do it. There you go.
She still has the hiccups.
What are you trying to reach at?
Her feet. She wants to eat them.
Do it. You got her moving around too much.
Well, she's the one moving.
Do it again. Do it. No. No more.
All done.
No more for Mama. You gotta do at least one more. Tickle, 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 tickle.